Today, I want to share some thoughts about the PS5 VR2. This version has been out for a while, and I'd like to figure out, should you buy this device, or is it just a waste of money? You may have heard that some developers have slowed down or stopped creating new games for VR. But honestly, even with the games available now, I can say they're far from boring. In fact, they can be the highlight of any home party and an incredible experience for everyone involved. So let's dive into the details. The first thing I encountered during the initial setup was a small hiccup with the controllers. When I plugged them in and pressed the PS button, nothing happened. Don't panic. This is actually pretty common. Just charge your controllers directly from a power outlet for about 10-15 minutes and then try again. That's all it takes to get things going smoothly. As for dizziness, it really is there, and it manifests itself to a greater extent in dynamic games like racing or where you need to run and jump. Maybe you need to get used to this effect. Let's wait and see. Static games, I didn't find any problems. For example, Beat Saber or Angry Birds. Let's dive into an unboxing, and I'll share my top 5 games that are guaranteed to keep you entertained. As promised, here are my top 5 games for the PSVR2. First up, Gran Turismo 7. I'm a huge fan, and honestly, the VR glasses were bought specifically for this game. If you've got a steering wheel, it's an absolutely unbeatable experience. Next, Horizon, Call of the Mountain. It's my go-to for that first VR experience. It's incredibly immersive and exciting. And for something fun in a group, you can't go wrong with Beat Saber. It works perfectly for parties and keeps everyone entertained. These are just a few of my favorites. What are yours? Let me know in the comments.